Oh my gosh, here it comes. Ouch, my flugelhorns. Ouch. Ow, shut up, Flush. Sorry.
A tornado warning has been issued for Broward County and Palm Beach County.
What the heck?
Until 4:38 p.m.
See?
Yeah, I saw it. Caught on camera. Another one will come up. Be right back. Well, guys, it's too late now. The tornado warning won't come up. Janet Boomer, you think the emergency alert system didn't come by yet, huh? Yes, first saucer flow. Get out of here. You got no business to the corner, Rainbow Dash. Why would you tell them like that, Fleeker? You can't tell me that, 'cause he was being naughty. What? Why would you tell him to do that? I cannot tell you, Plush Flo. Ow! Shut up, Flush. Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you. Lube doesn't like this at all. But we are the singing cats. Yeah, I'm Tabitha. Yeah. Yoshi. I told you to be quiet while we making this video. Yoshi, I'm sorry. Okay, everyone. I'm sorry, YouTubers, but I have to end this video. Bye.